Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to write a program to check if a number is between 10 and 20 inclusive, or if it is equal to 25. So I'm having a variable called a. It is assigned number 15. First is to check to see if this number is between 10 and 20. We can use and to check if the number is between 10 and 20. To do that, I'm having the if condition, if keyword. I'm having this part of the condition first, saying that a is larger than or equal to 10, because it says inclusive. We are having the equal sign as well. And at the same time, it is lower than or equal to 20, because we want to make sure it is between 10 and 20. If it was saying that it's larger than 10, we didn't need this part. Okay, we want to check it must be at the same time larger than 10 and lower than 20. So we need one and operator, logical operator. Why? Because both of the conditions must be met. Therefore, we need one and logical operator. So it says to check if a number is between 10 and 20, or the program itself, the problem statement itself is saying or if it is equal to 25. So either this condition or this condition. So either this condition must be true or this condition must be true, because it says to check if a number is between 10 and 20 or it is equal to 25. So it says that we are having this to check if it is between 10 and 20 using AND operator. In the parentheses, we are having the first condition being checked and the second condition, or if it is equal to 25. So I'm having OR logical operator and then checking to see if A equals 25. So if either this part or this part is met, because when we are using OR logical operator, either of the conditions should be true to enter the part. So either it is between 10 and 20 or it is equal to 25, it is going to print condition met. Otherwise, it is going to say condition not met. So when I run the code, it says condition met because the number is 15. Okay? So when the number is 15, it is passing this first condition. It says that, okay, 15 is larger than 10 and lower than 20. So it is going to execute the condition met message without even checking this part. Why? Because there is one OR in the middle. So for the OR, we need to have at least one condition to be true. So this part is true. So we don't care about the second part. We are not going to check the second part. We are going to directly type down the message condition met. So if I have the number 5, what would happen? It says condition not met. So 5 is not larger than 10 and lower than 20. Okay, so let us check the second part. So 5, is it equal to 25? No. So neither this part nor this part is true. Therefore, it is not going to execute this part of the code, and it is going to jump here in the else part and print condition not met as we are having here. So what if I have 25? Let me run the code again. It says condition met. Why? First, it checks 25 is larger than 10. Yes. But is it at the same time lower than 20? No. So this part is not met. Okay. For AND logical operator, both of them must be true. But when both of them is not true, the whole parenthesis is not true, which is the first part of the condition before OR. But because we are having OR logical operator, it may be true that the second part is true. So, and we need only one condition for the OR logical operator to enter the condition. So let's check the second part. We say 25 equals 25. Is it true? Yes. So it enters and print out the condition met in the output. So this is how we can have the combination of writing if statement with two logical operator at the same time in one example in one line. Thank you for watching.